The time intensity curve tool enables the assessment of tissue response to a contrast agent by plotting intensity values of a region of interest after injection over time. To perform a tick measurement in dynamic contrast enhanced MRIs, begin by clicking the Open Multiple Sequences button in the Time Intensity Curve Tools section of the toolbar. This action opens a pop-up for selecting the study, if multiple studies are available, and the sequences on which the curve will be generated. Up to 9 sequences can be selected simultaneously. After clicking the OK button, the system automatically splits the viewport to display the selected sequences, sorted by acquisition time. Once the sequences are displayed, click the Circular Measure button in the Time Intensity Curve Tools section, or press the default key binding, which is set to the O key by default, to place a circular region of interest at the location of the lesion in one of the displayed sequences. Only one ROI can be placed. Clicking the Time Intensity Curve button then replicates the ROI across all selected sequences and generates the time intensity curve for the specified region. A pop-up window will display the generated graph and provide the option to specify a series description for the sequence that will be saved to the associated storage system once the OK button is clicked. This sequence, saved as a DICOM secondary capture, will include the time intensity curve graph as well as the images displayed in the open panels, complete with the ROIs.